Evening, everybody. It is 5:43 on this Wednesday afternoon, the 14th. Was a very busy day for news between PPI and mortgage apps and then the FOMC. Bottom line was the markets were all over the place. The Dow was as low as minus 400, finished down 232 and change. Um, NASDAQ up 53. S&P up $3.50. The Russell, though, down 22.24. That was the big loser on the day. And the transports up 193. That was the big winner on the day, up 1.34%. What was interesting to me was that with the market and the market internals decidedly negative, 3-2 on the NYSE and 7-4 to the downside on a NASDAQ that was up. 5.8 billion shares. That's a lot of stock for a summer market. In any event, all this stuff was all over the place. Oil is the chart on the screen. It was down 115. However, it was a higher low and a higher high. I'm not happy to see it closing down here at the bottom, but there was a 7.92 million barrel build in inventory. So I'm sure that that was a big piece of it. A big piece of the decline in the Dow was UNH, United Health. The stock closed at 460.60, down $30.71 or 6.25%. It did get as low as 445, so down about $45. The reason for this was a comment by the company that said that they are spending more as a percentage than they're taking in on healthcare coverage, be it people who are now having the surgeries that they put off because of COVID or general expenses. But this took the whole group down. Humana 453 down $59 and change, 11.5%. CVS, which is a drugstore but also owns an insurance company. The stock has really been having trouble around 72.73, which is around where it closed yesterday. Today, 66.82, down 5.44 or 7.5%. So the whole group was soft here. After the close, Lennar came out with a big double beat. Earnings and revenues, the stock had closed 114.74, which was down $1.26. Traded up to 119.77, the last 117.15, up $2.40. Nike also coming back, 112.47, up 5.69. Earnings don't come on that one, I think, for about another 2 weeks. And Target, a stock that's gone recently in the last month from 160 to 125, got a little back today, 133.44, up 4.72. I want to mention another one, a colossal piece of crap. And I want to warn you, companies get to write their own press releases. So I'm going to read this one. It's from a company called We Trade Group. And it says, We Trade Group shares doubled to 1709 after the company said it has launched a large-scale language model generated by artificial intelligence, increasing its technical reserves in the field of artificial intelligence and increasing the application of large model technology and products for industry applications. I will pay anyone $100 who tells me what that actually means. But here's what it means to me, because I do the homework. WETG just did the other day a 1-for-1 185 reverse split. It closed yesterday at 8.44, which is the equivalent of 4.5 cents. The high today was 20, which is the equivalent of 11 cents. And the close today was $8 and, pardon me, was about 17, and that was the equivalent of 8.3 cents. So when you can't make sense of it, you stay the hell away from it. Okay, tomorrow morning we have retail sales, we have claims, we have industrial production, we have Philly Fed, Empire State, we have import prices, we have export prices, and that's just at 8:30. We have industrial production at 9:15. And then let me just see, there may be something a little later than that. 10:30 we have the 10 o'clock we have April business inventories. 10:30 we have nat gas inventories, and at 4 o'clock at the close the April net long term tick flows. No clue what that is. All right, folks, be careful out there and stay away from junk that you look at the chart and it's got an adjusted high of 9,000 and an adjusted low of $1.30. Have a good evening.